INNIO's remanufacturing program uses advanced manufacturing techniques to give your engine and all of its parts a new, longer life. All of our remanufacturing products follow the same process steps. We call them our re-up engines and re-up spare parts. During the first step of our 5-step remanufacturing process, we efficiently disassemble your engine and parts using lean manufacturing methodology for an optimized flow process. Next, we inspect all components using the latest measuring methods to help ensure that all of our OEM specifications are met. Combined, our technicians have over 1 million hours of experience in the assembly of our remanufactured products. They use our proprietary CNC technology during machining to help achieve our high OEM standards. Using modern CMM measurement methods, we follow the same test standards for our re-up engines and re-up parts as we use for our new products. And finally, we package carefully so that your remanufactured products are protected until installation at your site. INNIO Remanufacturing. Energy solutions. Everywhere, every time.